Hey YouTube, welcome back. So today I'm going to show you guys a tutorial on how to update your CGSULIT SC510 Elite. This one is the multi-system scanner. So currently it has Volkswagen and Audi, and I'm going to update it so I can use it for Toyota, Lexus, and then Scion. Make sure you are using a Windows-based computer, and you have the data cable for USB Type A to mini USB. And also make sure you have the memory card insert into the unit, okay? So we're going to connect it to the computer. And we need to go to the website and make sure your units and go to update, okay? And press Y to enter it. So it says update in progress. Please wait. Do not press any key before update complete. Do not disturb the USB connection during the process of update. Press enter to enter the main menu when update completed. So right now we're going to go to the website, the official website, CGSULIT.com. And over here, you're going to go and then click on download. And when you click on download, you want to make sure you look for the SC510. That will be this one right here, and then click on download. So you'll be downloading the exe file. After you finish download, we're going to double click it to open it up. And in case you have other different models, right here are the other models that you could download your updates. So total of 8 different models that you could update. So yeah, make sure you guys come back whenever there's an update, because it is a free lifetime update. So, and then there are many different types of scanner that's available for you to purchase. Alright, so 15 seconds left. Alright, so we're gonna double click on this exe files right here. There you go. So you will click on yes. So right here you can select different languages. I'm gonna leave it on English. Press OK. Press next. Create shortcut next. Install. Alright, click on finish. So right here we're gonna click on this system, full system diagnostic. So user login, we just close it. The representative told me I don't need to. Let's see, download Toyota right here. Gonna click on VW2, might be a new version. One click download. So it is downloading pretty fast. And on the left hand side, you could also uninstall. So it finished at 100%. Let's check out the uninstall. So in case you don't want the Volkswagen or whatever OBD2, you could click on it and then click on uninstall, but I don't think we want to do that. So there you go. You got the Toyota now. Toyota, Volkswagen. So go up there and then look at it. Press yes. So there's a Toyota, Lexus, and then Scion. Civic, Toyota, SmartFin, or you can manual input your VIN number. Lexus, same thing. And then Scion. Okay? Anyway, hopefully you guys give a thumbs up, like the video. Please be sure to hit that subscribe button, turn on that bell for notification, or drop any other comments on below. And thank you for watching. See you guys on the next one. I always peace.